Astronomers are perplexed by what they see, by a huge ring of galaxies in deep space. Well, even if we see, for example, the Big Dipper, from our perspective, it looks like a dipper. But in space, the stars are actually very far away from each other. It's just that the rings and whatever shapes we see in the sky is because of our location where we see them from. It doesn't mean that that's exactly what they look like. Scientists in the UK have discovered what appears to be a gargantuan ring-shaped structure far off in space, measuring a whopping 1.3 billion light years in diameter. This immense structure, named the Big Ring, is so large that it appears 15 times the size of the moon when viewed from the Earth's surface, though it's not actually visible with the naked eye. Identified by Alexia Lopez, a PhD student at the University of Central Lancashire in the UK, the ring is unlike anything ever seen before and challenges our current understanding of the universe. In other words, something like this should not actually exist because it violates what's known as the cosmological principle which concerns the distribution of matter throughout the cosmos. This is the seventh large structure discovered in the universe that contradicts the idea that the cosmos is smooth on the largest scales, said Dr. Robert Massey, Deputy Director of the Royal Astronomical Society. If these structures are real, then it's definitely food for thought for cosmologists and the accepted thinking on how the universe has evolved over time. In addition to the Big Ring, Lopez also discovered a second structure, the Giant Arc, which spans some 3.3 billion light years of space. She said, "It's really surreal. I do have to pinch myself because I made these discoveries accidentally. They were serendipitous discoveries," she said. Neither of these two ultra-large structures is easy to explain in our current understanding of the universe, and their ultra-large sizes, distinctive shapes, and cosmological proximity must surely be telling us something important, but what exactly? This is from BBC News on Unexplained Mysteries. Again, I'm telling you, it's just our perspective of seeing them. Doesn't mean they're actually like that. It's just from our location, they seem like an arc and a ring. When you go further out, it may be that they're totally far from each other. Please leave your comments and thank you for your support. Kindly support my Patreon account. The daily posts are 5 videos daily and they are totally different from what I have on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support and that you find all my content so interesting. You'll find the Patreon account details in the description box below.